Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to fix Amazon order says delivered but not received. Firstly, before contacting Amazon, look carefully around where packages are usually left. Check front door, back door, garage or porch. Behind plants, furniture, and carriers sometimes place packages in hidden spots for safety. So go to your orders and select the order. Click Track Package and review the delivery photo if available. Confirm the delivery address is correct because sometimes the photo shows exactly where the package was left. Now, if you live with others or in a shared building, ask family members or roommates and check with neighbors and ask building management or front desk. Someone else may have accepted the package, not you. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.